Welcome to MMW Tech channel. In this video I will tell you the easiest method of skin smoothness. Before that, take 10 seconds and subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos like this. So let's get started. As you can see the face of this man. It's not smooth as we want. So the first thing you have to do is unlock the background layer by clicking on lock icon. Then you have to duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl and J. After that you have to invert the image by pressing Ctrl and I. Then you have to change blend mode to vivid light. Don't worry, it will look worse, but trust me, the result will shock you. Now you have to click on filter, then other, and then high pass. Select the radius value as you want, but remember, don't blur it too much. I will go for 12. Click on OK. Then again you have to click on filter, then blur, and then Gaussian blur. Select the value between of 3 and 4. Not more than 4 and not less than 3. Now as you can see, the smoothness is spread all over the image and we only want it on specific area. To fix that, hold Alt and click on Mask button. Make sure you hold Alt while clicking on Mask to make mask black. Now select brush and make sure the selected color is white. Now paint on those area on which you want smoothness. Just like this. Now it's done. Let's take a look on before and after. You can see how smooth the skin texture looks. If you like the video, smash the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.